Okay, so here we got the Zino by Hubsan, my shiny new toy. My iPad Mini 3 and the Zino controller. Got some cabling going here to connect the controller over to the iPad. I did not have a cable that would fit directly, so what I've done is I've picked up one of these adapters. It's called a micro USB OTG male to USB female adapter. Basically, this end is a standard Android end. This end is a female USB end. So this cable is a standard USB cable that I've got plugged in, of course, with the iOS Lightning cable plugged into the tablet. As you can see, I've got picture. You know, we move the Zino around. We've got feedback. So obviously everything works. As far as connection, I do have feedback here. So right away, once I saw the feedback here on the screen, I knew this tablet was going to work. Unfortunately, there's some rumors going around in some of the various Facebook groups that the iPad Mini 3 does not work with the Hubsan Zino. The only reason I can see why it may not work is my iPad Mini 3 is currently on iOS version 12.0. There is an update out for 12.11. I have not done that update. The only other person I know that does have the iPad Mini 3 has done this update, and they have indicated that they are not able to successfully use the controller sticks when connected to the iPad. They have to physically use the iPad to fly with the on-screen sticks. So just a demonstration here. I'm going to go ahead and arm. As you can see, sticks definitely work. This is definitely going to be good news for a lot of people who have an iPad of various sorts. I can only confirm today it works with the iPad Mini 3, but definitely try out your iPads. Leave a comment and let me know what you see working, what you see not working. It'll overall help the community. Don't forget to check us out in the Facebook group, Hubsan H501, H502 Zino. We'll be looking forward to seeing you there. Thanks.